Cookies, PHP cookies. Cookies are very much important to understand. A cookie is generally used to identify a user. A cookie is often used to identify a user and is a small file that the server embeds on the user system. Each time the same computer requests a page with a browser, it will send the cookie to. With PHP, you can both create and retrieve cookies value. Now, let us understand how we can set the cookie. A cookie is created with the set cookie function. Many times when you visit a website, you see that you get a alert, a notification that the system is using cookie value to hold your personal information. So if you allow them, they store the information. So if you do not allow them, they don't store the information. So this is what happens when we set a cookie. In this we have a name, value, expire, path, domain, secure, and now let us see how it is being used. The following example creates a cookie named user with with the value John Doe. The cookie will expire after 30 days. Means that cookie is available in the entire website. Otherwise, select the directory you prefer. Now when we then retrieve the value of the cookie user using the global variable cookie. We also set iset is a function to check whether a variable is set or not, function to find out whether the cookie is set or not. Now let us we have taken a variable cookie name with the value user. Another we have taken a cookie variable cookie value John Doe. Now we are setting the value. In this we have set a value cookie name. So it will take the name from here. Cookie value take the name from here. Time. It is going to take the current time plus this duration. That means it is going to count for 30 days. Now in the body. Now if the cookie is set, so that means this is the name of the cookie. It is going to take from here. Yes, if it is set. So it is going to display the cookie name is set. Now let us try to run the project. Now in this we get the system that cookie session is not set. Now let us try to, now again we started. In this the cookie is set and the cookie value is John. So this is how when we set the value cookie, then again we get the, this is how we try to embed or we get the value of the cookie. Now the cookie function must appear before the HTML tag. The value of cookie is automatically URL encoded when sending the cookie and automatically decoded when retrieved. To prevent URL encoding, use set raw cookie instead. Now we can also modify a cookie. This is how we can set and we can modify the cookie, and we can also delete a cookie. Now check if the cookies are enabled or not. Now the following example creates a small script that creates whether cookies are enabled or not. First try to create a test cookie with the set cookie function, then count the cookie array variable. This is we have set the cookie, and then this is how we are checking if it is enabled or not. Now if the cookie variable is greater than 0, that means which we take from this. If it is greater than 0, that means it is enabled. This is all about a cookie.